will lead us home. Yeah, I will lead us.
Let's go.
Girls with their nails done now.